Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to completely disable AI on your Google Pixel 8 Pro. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap the gear icon on your device to open up the settings menu. This is where you'll access all the core configurations for managing AI features on your phone. Once you're in settings, tap on apps. This section controls all the applications installed on your device and their default behaviors. Now tap on default apps. This menu lets you choose which apps handle specific tasks on your phone, including your digital assistant, then tap on Digital Assistant app. Here you'll see which AI assistant is currently set as your default and you'll be able to change this setting. Tap the radio button next to None. This effectively removes any default AI assistant from your device, ensuring no assistant automatically responds to voice commands or prompts. Now go back to the main settings menu and scroll down until you find the security and privacy option. This is where deeper system-level AI features are managed. Tap on Security and Privacy, then scroll down again and tap on More Security and Privacy. This opens up additional privacy controls that aren't immediately visible in the main menu. Then tap on Android System Intelligence. This is the behind-the-scenes AI that powers smart features across your Pixel, including personalized suggestions and automated actions. You'll see an option that says Customize the experience using your Google account data. Tap the toggle button beside it to disable it. Turning this off prevents the system from using your account information to personalize AI-driven features. Now for the last step, go back to your home screen or open your app drawer to locate any standalone AI apps you have installed, such as Google Gemini. Once you find the AI app, press and hold on it until a menu appears, then tap App Info. This takes you to the detailed settings page for that specific app. Then tap Uninstall. This will completely remove the AI app from your device. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure. Tap Uninstall again to confirm your choice. And that's it. You've successfully disabled all AI features on your Google Pixel 8 Pro, from the default assistant to system intelligence in any standalone AI apps. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.